Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So as you know, I already made the Guinness punch. You know, spring is rapidly approaching. As a matter of fact, it's already summer in Houston. So now we're going to make the Jamaican fruit punch drink. So let's get started. Alright, so in my pot I have 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to add another cup. That's 2 cups of sugar. You're going to add 2 cups of water. Equal amounts. We're basically making a ginger mint simple syrup. I'm using bottled water. You're going to take your ginger. This was a whole lot of ginger right here. It's like a big old hunk and I sliced it. I didn't even peel it because we're going to strain it. Put it down in there. Simmer it for 5 minutes. Let it cool down. And then we're going to add the mint down in here. I don't want to boil the mint, so that's why the mint is not there. Put it on the stove. Simmer on medium heat 5 minutes. Alright guys, so this is my simple syrup. I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So now I just took it off the stove. You're going to put your mint down in there. And basically you're just going to let it sit there for like 10-15 minutes. You also need it to cool down anyway before we make the punch. So yeah. Alright, so this video was also requested, this recipe by Miss Lily Mays. I'm going to put her Instagram across so you guys could check her out. She also cooks. This right here, I have a bowl of watermelon chopped up, lemon slices. This is going to go down in the punch. Then over here I have some lemons. We're going to squeeze the juice out of those and we're going to pour that down into the punch. Alright guys, so finally we're going to put it all together. So because I want some of this lemon and watermelon to break down a little bit, I'm going to put a little in the bottom as I mix it. I guess I should have put this down in here before I got back, but you're going to put it down in there just like that. Let me make sure I'm focused. So now you're going to add your mango nectar or mango juice. Guys, I tried so hard to find passion fruit juice, which is what my grandmother used, was passion fruit juice, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I was so mad, but that's okay. Then you're going to add some orange juice. Basically, I'm putting in here maybe 2 to 3 cups of each one. Then you're going to go in here with some pineapple juice. I'm using a lot of the pineapple juice. I'm probably going to use the whole can of that. Remember, all of these ingredients are to taste, including the simple syrup that we made with the ginger and mint. You're going to add your simple syrup down in here. You're going to add your lemon juice that we squeezed down in there. And then you're going to add your grenadine for some color. Mix it up. Yum. Oh, look at that color. Look at that color. I wish y'all could smell the ginger from right, like the ginger. Ugh. Alright guys, so this is why I always say to taste your drink and your food when you cook. I want some more of that syrup down in there. Trust me, this is not going to be over sweetened because this pineapple juice is not sweet. It's like really, really tart, and we added more lemon juice. So now you're going to add the rest of your fruit down in here. Watermelon, lemons, everybody's going right down in there. Mix this up one last time. Just like back home. Alright, I'm going to pour this up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, so I got my ice and I put a piece of the mint that was already in the simple syrup down in my glass. So I'm just going to pour my drink up. How delicious does that look? Alright guys, so this is what my drink looks like. It's nice and refreshing. I'm about to put my little pink straw. Y'all know I love pink. Let's give this a try. First of all, you can't tell me that came straight off the boat. I haven't had fruit punch that tasted like this since I left the islands. Like, seriously, that ginger, I'm telling you, that ginger. Again, like I said, I just wish I had passion fruit juice because My grandmother, that's what she put in hers, but I used what I had available. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple fruit punch drink, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.